Very
See,
important.
all these things are very, very important, and I feel that if we all work together on in this angle, definitely sky is the limit.
तुमका एक पॉलिटिक्साच्या बाबतीत सुद्धा खूप मोठे लीडर म्हणून पळयता बिकॉज जेन्ना जेन्ना हाली हांवें तरी जर्नलिझम सुरू केला सरकार घडटाना प्रत्येक फावटी तुमचो सगळ्यात मोठो हात आसा.
गेल्या फावटी नासलो.
गेल्या फावटी ओके सर गेल्या फावटीचे आमी विचारयात बट ताच्या उपरांत सुद्धा जे जालें तातूंत सुद्धा तुमचो हात आसा. सो कशें पळयता तुमी कारण गोंयचें पॉलिटिक्स सदांच एक वेगळे तरेन पळयलें वयता आख्या इंडियन सुद्धा. सो तुम्ही प्रत्येक फावटी आता खास करून हय सांगा सर.
गोवा इज अ स्मॉल स्टेट, and सगळे एकामेकाक वळखता. What is good for Goa and Goans we have to do. Maybe all the decisions what I have taken in my life may not be correct. People will differ on the decisions. Even I differ on certain of my decisions. But in sometimes political compulsions, you have to take that decision at that particular time. It may be right, it may be wrong. If I continuously think certain decisions in my life which I took politically were incorrect also, some decisions were very much correct. So we have to not say every time that what I have done is 100% right.
राईट बरोबर.
So
तुम्ही गेल्या फावटीचे डिसिजन चुकले असे दिसता तुमका खंय ना खंय तरी कॅल्क्युलेशन्स म्हणा किंवा पॉलिटिकल कॅल्क्युलेशन्स
no, माझे डिसिजन सारखे असले जे आम्ही त्या टायमार जो आमचो डिफरन्सीस आसले
बरोबर.
on so many things, and I left the party and I went on the other side. 100% we would have won 22 seats. It was only split of vote all over Goa which led to us getting only 11. So no regrets. काय कोणाचेर दोष दिवप ना काय ना. That was our time. We did it, and yet again we are there, back again in action, working for the people. Finally, end of the day, what it is working for the people.
बरोबर.
लोकां खातीर काम करप हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहा.